Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna open this the Juice Man Junior machine. So let's see how they made it and what is inside. Let's go. These are the parts, as you see. Let's go and take it out. There's a 4 screw here, and I'm gonna take it out all these 4 screws. Right there. One is here. The other one here. Oh, sorry. Right. 2 and 3 and 4. 4 screws are coming right there. Okay, let's go ahead and pull it. Is it coming? No. Alright, it's coming. Right here. This is the one part. And here you are. You can see the inside. Let's take it out. Okay. Right. Ooh. Yeah. I need the longer. Okay, right here. I think there is a 4 screws in. Right there. Right here. Maybe it's hard to see with the camera, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, no, it's 3, I think. Okay. Let's screw. Take it out. 1 here. The second one here. Okay. Let's start one right there. Right there. Come on. Okay. As you see, we seeing a little clearly. Then let's see how I can take it out all together. Okay. I don't know. Is there any screw that I am missing? Nothing. Okay. I want to take it out the motor. Let's see how. I don't know how. Is there anything to? No, nothing. So I don't know. I think this has to come out, but I don't know how. There is no screw at all. There is no screw at all. I need to figure out. There is no screw, and here's nothing. Okay. I don't know. That's not impossible. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Let me pause and maybe I can figure out. So I didn't figure out that first I can take it out this, but I decide to hit like this. Ooh, I don't know. Wow, very strong. That's very strong. break. Let me try this one. Nothing. Wow. Maybe I can take this part. Wow. This part doesn't come up. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. Slowly and surely, what? Anyway, somehow I'm gonna break this right there. Come on. Okay, almost. Wow. Alright, one more piece. As you see, guys. Maybe I can break the part too. I can't. No. Alright. Now, come out. No, doesn't want to come out. This is not the holding then. What is the holding? Wow. Interesting. Okay. Maybe. No, it's not coming out. What is that holding? Anyway, guys, I think I'm not gonna able to take it out this. Alright, overall it's done. I mean, I'm gonna break it, but when I break this one, this tough one, doesn't come out. So I don't know what to do. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye bye.